Have you ever wondered what it's like to visit Sullivan County, New York and the Catskills Mountains? Let's find out, as featured in the pages of Byways magazine. The story of this enchanting region unfolds like a beautifully crafted novel, filled with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and unspoiled natural beauty. Our journey begins with the first settlers, the Lenape Native American tribe. These early inhabitants were drawn to the area's fertile valleys and abundant wildlife. The Lenape's legacy can still be felt today in the names of local towns and rivers, echoing a time when they were the stewards of this beautiful land. As we move forward in time, Sullivan County and the Catskills became a refuge for those seeking respite from the bustling city life. The area's fresh mountain air, sparkling lakes, and lush forests drew in visitors from far and wide. Fast forward to the 1960s, and Sullivan County was thrust into the international spotlight. The reason? The legendary Woodstock Music Festival. Artists and spectators descended upon the county in droves, forever cementing its place in rock and roll history. Today, the echoes of that era can be explored at the Woodstock Museum, located at the Bethelwood Center for the Arts. Bethelwood Center for the Arts is more than a museum, though. It's a vibrant cultural hub offering a diverse array of performances and exhibitions. From contemporary music concerts to thought-provoking art displays, there's always something to inspire and engage. Stepping back in time, the Fort Delaware Museum of Colonial History offers a glimpse into the lives of the early pioneers. With its authentically recreated settlers' village, you can experience firsthand what life was like in the colonial era. For those with a passion for angling, the Catskill Fly Fishing Center and Museum is a must-visit. It's here you can immerse yourself in the rich tradition of Catskills fly fishing, and perhaps even learn a thing or two about this revered pastime. But it's not just history and culture that draw visitors to this region. The Catskills Dove Trail, a unique art trail featuring over 50 dove sculptures, offers a fun and engaging way to explore the area. Each dove is distinctively designed, reflecting the vibrant creativity of the local community. Sullivan County's natural wonders also beckon. Venture to the ice caves for a sub-zero adventure, even in the heat of summer. Or make your way to Shohola Falls, where the thunderous roar of cascading water serves as the soundtrack to your hike. And for a good old-fashioned day of family fun, Cunningham Family Farms delivers with its corn maze, pumpkin patch, and hay rides. Every year, the region also hosts Mysteryland USA, a music festival that invites attendees to immerse themselves in a world of music, art, and community. So, whether it's the whispers of the past, the rhythm of cultural festivities, the thrill of outdoor adventures, or the serenity of nature you're seeking, Sullivan County and the Catskills Mountains offer an experience unlike any other. From the first settlers to the present day, this area is a testament to the enduring allure of unspoiled beauty and rich history. It's not just a place to visit, but a place to feel alive, to reconnect, and to make memories that will last a lifetime.